loving and compassionate founders of Onpassive. We are on a journey that will take us to the dreams and hopes that all of us have been waiting for. Everything in life calls for faith and belief in something. Our something is Onpassive. There have been many bumps on the road, but Onpassive has survived. Thanks to the brilliance of Mr. Mafare and his staff. We will reap tremendous rewards, but trusting in him and his staff. Mr. Mafare must feel great about all those who have become founders. Our being founders of Onpassive equate to having trust in someone who believes in the betterment of the world as we know it. Onpassive is the vehicle created for all of us who have taken a leap of faith. Mr. Mafare and staff, you have not been alone on this journey. We are praying and fighting with you. We love you and share your feelings about making Onpassive the ultimate dream fulfiller. Onpassive is going to allow us as founders to be able to lift our heads up high. Not in an arrogant way, but a way that brings dignity and respect to what Onpassive is all about. The helping of humanity touches all our hearts in Onpassive. Founders will be able to help people who need help. So do not feel guilty about the wealth that we will acquire with Onpassive, because we can help more when we have more money to do it. Look at the children who are orphans, who need loving homes and loving people to adopt them. Having the financial resources would make a big difference in their lives. The widows will be helped by Onpassive's founders. The world will have fewer animal shelters, fewer homeless shelters, fewer homeless living on the streets, less hunger in the world. The more Onpassive blesses its founders with its resources, the more we can give others who are needy. Let us keep the fire that's burning in our hearts for those who are in need. Do not let anyone put out that fire. We are all in this fight together.